Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and before you freak out, I'm gonna comb this on camera. I'm gonna try to play with it a little bit, but I wanted to show you that this one's kind of scary right out of the box, but it gets better. This is high impact in the large cap version from Gabor in the color GL14 16SS, also known as Shaded Honey Toast. So like I said, I know this one's scary right out of the box. I get it. But let me go ahead and comb her out a little bit and play with her, and then we'll talk. So hopefully what I have demonstrated to you is that this wig requires a little bit of playing and a little bit of manipulation and probably a little bit of synthetic safe hairspray right here in order to get it to look anything like the manufacturer photos. Because right out of the box, you saw that she was kind of crazy looking. The curls didn't look that great. The top was kind of flat. So this one definitely requires some manipulation, especially here in the front, because that front does not come steamed upright, so it doesn't want to stay upright like that. So you can either steam it into place, which is what I'm sure they did for the manufacturer photo, because manufacturer photo it's kind of doing one of these numbers, right? Which look how cute that is. That's darling. You'd have to steam it right here, upright. Not while it's on your head, but you'd have to steam it right here basically to get it to stay upright. With like a John Renault wig steamer, you need something kind of targeted to do that kind of wig work. But yeah, it can definitely be very cute, and it can definitely look like the manufacturer photo, but it doesn't come out of the box like that at all. So let me go ahead and do a 360 for you now that I have styled this a little bit, so that way you can see what this wig looks like all the way around. So let me tell you a little bit about this color. This is GL14/16, so those two colors are blended together. That's kind of a dark honey blonde with a lighter honey blonde on top. So there is some ash in here. There are some sort of warm, almost caramelly tones in here. So it's kind of like a sandy blonde overall. It's a very dynamic blended color. It's not particularly warm though, as you can probably pick up on this video. It has a shaded root. You can see this also has monofilament features. You can see my wig cap through there, but that's more like a soft medium brown than anything else. So let's talk some specs on this one. This is a 3-ounce wig, so it's very light. The front is 7 inches. The crown down is 9. The sides are 6, the back is 6.5, and the nape is 4 inches. So it's a curly sort of bob, but definitely got to play with it a little bit to get it to look right. So I'm going to go ahead and take high impact off now so I can show you what the interior of the cap looks like. High impact comes in 2 cap sizes. It comes in average and it also comes in large. This is the large cap version. Fits me better than the average version does. We have a hand-tied lace front with a monofilament side part. I'll show you both those again when I put the wig back on. We also have a bump of permatease right here at the crown. I'll invert it and show that to you. See that permatease right there. It's also in the areas surrounding that monofilament top, but it's mostly concentrated at the crown. It's open on the sides, open in the back. We have an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters, which is always nice. It's really roomy and stretchy. This wig is ridiculously roomy and stretchy because it's made for a large cap wearer. And we also have nice closed felt ear tabs here. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back on. Let me show you that lace front. Got some nice tiny knots there. It does get gradually thicker. There is that monofilament side part, which is way thicker. It's very nice. So there you have it. This has been my review of the High Impact. Hopefully I helped sort of explain how you can get this one to look more like the product pictures on the website. In the color GL1416SS, also known as Shaded Honey Toast. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Hopefully you'll stay tuned for more, and I hope you have a great night. Bye-bye!